How to add buy bot to Telegram. Adding a buy bot to Telegram usually means integrating a bot that can handle sales, payments, or order processing inside your Telegram chats or channels. So here is how you can do it. First of all, open the Telegram app, just like this. Then you need to find a ready-made buy and sales bot. So there are many Telegram bots that support buying, payments, and orders such as shop bot, store bot, or payment bot. Now simply search for these bots directly in Telegram by typing their username in the search bar. Tap onto the search bar right here and type shop bot just like this and search for it. Then here you can find it right here, then select it. Now opens the bot profile, then simply tap on to start to activate this bot, just like this. Now follow the instructions provided by the bot to set up your store, add products, and configure payment option. You can add the bot as an admin in your group or channel if needed. And that's it. This is how you can add buy bot to Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.